got a CRF250 cold start. It is winter. Snow on the ground, first time here in Nevada. Let me show you. Yeah, it snowed last night. And we got a 250. So we're gonna cold start her up. Let me just set up the phone. We're gonna do no choke. So let's see how she goes. I don't have a throttle, so I can't rev it up. My throttle's not on, so I don't know how to put it back on. Well, okay, here we go. Oh yeah, it's cold. It's cold. Trust me. I'm holding the pipe right now. It's cold. Let me give it a choke. Oh shit, the gas isn't even on. Just realized the gas isn't even on. That was funny. Don't even know how it started right there. All right, choke and gas on. That's awesome. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching that video. Let me turn the gas back off. Thank you.